When connecting with members on LinkedIn, always send a note with a personalized greeting. By giving individuals context about who you are and why you want to connect with them, they'll be more likely to engage with you after they've accepted your request. The following tips outline components of a strong LinkedIn connection request. 1. Greeting. Address the person with a professional salutation. For instance, dear, hello, hi, their title as appropriate, for instance, doctor, and their first name. 2. Self-introduction and providing context. Describe how you know the person you're attempting to connect with or how you found them on LinkedIn. 3. Call to action. Articulate why you want to connect with the person by linking your professional goals, interests, skills, or values to your call to action. 4th, closing. Sign off with a professional closing and your name. For instance, best regards, sincerely. Here's an example of a LinkedIn note. Hi Sandra, thank you for taking the time to chat with me at the Career Marketplace. I enjoyed your presentation on social media engagement. I'd love to stay in touch and continue our conversation about getting your organization and our student group to collaborate. Let's talk soon. Best, Veronica. As a best practice, you should always personalize your greeting message whenever you're connecting with someone on LinkedIn. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend any of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.